are going to check out the Keepsmile LED lights that have millions of colors, which is, we're gonna give this thing a try. It's got 16 million colors. So this is gonna be a really long video because we're gonna do each color individually.
Oh, great.
So let's check this out.
Okay.
So this is how it looks like. So you get a remote control.
Here's the remote control.
Get a plug. It comes with its own little plug adapter.
Yeah, and it's already plugged in, so y'all don't have to.
And we get a wheel of lights.
LED lights.
And some instructions. So we're gonna...
we already know how to do instructions.
I'm sure we're not gonna undo the whole thing, but we'll just undo a little bit of this so we can see what it looks like.
So
that's,
these are the LED lights.
Don't open it up too much. So
these are the LED lights.
Oh, I guess we're gonna have to use this app to control it, but I don't. Well, we're not gonna do the app right now. We're gonna do the controller. You want to plug it in? So just unplug the Oculus, I guess.
Oh.
And I'll show you this. So this is the remote, and we'll pull out the tab on the bottom to activate the battery. Okay.
Okay, give me this.
Oh,
and here they are.
There we go. There's it.
Let's try the 6 million colors.
Okay, so try a different color.
Okay, so here's red.
Ooh, red.
Green.
Green. Okay, so that's pretty sweet.
Blue, white. I'll just keep changing them.
Okay, you keep changing it while I talk. So I think it's like 60 feet of this stuff, so it's going to be pretty long. So yeah, it'll be pretty long. So Olive's not going to use this one right here, so we're not going to take it all out, but you can see how it goes. Well, maybe she will.
I probably will.
It's actually really thin and flexible, better than the other stuff was. I like this one. It's super long, and you can see they're about, I guess about 2 inches apart, the lights, so they're not super close together, but I guess that's how they get it really long. So I guess that's kind of it. I'll put a link to this in the description so you guys can pick some up for yourselves. And there's also an app for it, and I don't have the app installed right now because I'm using the phone to record this, but we're playing with the remote, so there you go. So get one of these, and it's pretty sweet. So that's it. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel.
And mine.
And subscribe to hers. If she gets one, I can put a link to it.
I have one.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Good night, mate.